add 0 or if we don't add 0, then answer will not change, है ना? So it means we will have the same number. So we will only take up 3 upon 5 plus minus 7 upon 5 plus 0. So 0 ko we will write it down only, but in the next step we will remove it because it will never affect our question. So this is 5, this is 3 plus minus 7, which will be taken together. It will give you minus 4 upon 5. ठीक है? This will be the first solution of question number 1. Now speak second question. My comment is being downloaded. It is taking much time. हाँ, what is the second question?
Ma'am, now third question.
हाँ, okay, चलो speak third question.
Arrange the following rational number in ascending and descending order.
अच्छा, ascending also, descending also. Okay, tell me the question now.
Minus 3 by 4.
Minus 3 by 4.
5 by minus 12.
5 upon minus 12.
Minus 7 by 16.
Minus 7 by 16.
9 by minus 24.
Now, beta, if you remember, we have done this kind of questions. Okay, these are not tough. We have already done when we were discussing this exercise. We have taken this kind of questions. तो सबसे पहला काम याद रखो होता क्या है कि we should take the proper signing. How to take proper signing? Denominator में sign हो नहीं सकता, so it should be 3 upon 4. It should be minus 5 upon 12. It should be minus 7 upon 16. And this is minus 9 upon 24. ठीक है? 9 upon 24 में अभी कैंसिल क्या हो सकता है? ये अभी कैंसिल होगा तो it will give you here, sorry, it will give you here 3, it will give you here 8. 3 3 are 9, 3 8 are 24. So I am writing directly minus 3 by 8. ठीक है? Minus 3 upon 8. ठीक है? Now let's have the multiplication, sorry, let's have the LCM of all those denominator which are given to us. So 4, 12, 16 and 8 will be taken together. It will give you here 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. ठीक है? It will give us, now again we will be solving it. It will give you 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Again one more time 2 1s are 2 2s are and 3 will remain same. Then again 2 will go and then 3 will go. ठीक है? Let's see what answer is coming. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So number we are getting as 48. 48 as LCM. ठीक है? If you take 48 at LCM, now the same process नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. ठीक है? नीचे divide ऊपर multiply. So it 4 divided by 48. Threes are 48, so 3 7s are 21. Now minus, sorry, then comma, then 8, 6 are 48, so 6 3s are 18, so it will give you minus 18. Now these are the numbers which we have taken it. Okay, these are the number which we have already taken it. Now arrange them into ascending and descending. So if you know integer chapter, you will arrange them ascending and descending in a very proper way. So how will we do that? Start doing. सबसे पहले we are talking about ascending order. So according to ascending order, if we solve ascending order में सबसे first we will get the सबसे smaller number. So सबसे smaller number we have 36 upon 48. Then we have next number after 36 we will have minus 21 upon 48. Then we will have minus 20 upon 48. And the last number would be minus 18 upon 48. ठीक है? Then we will solve it. We will write them in original order. Original order में 36 कहाँ से मिला था? First number से. That was minus 3 by 4. Then minus 21, how we got it? Third number. That is minus 7 upon 16. Then 20 upon, was the first number. 5 upon minus 12 दिया था question में. ठीक है? and last number was 18. So 18 was the last number, that was 9 upon minus 24. Okay. Now this is ascending order. This is ascending order, but write down into descending order also because I don't have space. So you can write it down just by changing the order. Just line जो है opposite हो जाएगी. 9 upon 24 से शुरू होगा and it will last up to minus 3 upon 4. Now only the signing is left. This is the smaller one, this is the greater, this is the greater, and this is the greatest. है ना? Have you understood or not? Please write it down in the chat box. Got it or not? Have you understood? Write it down in the chat box, yes or no. Okay, fine. Oh my God, sorry. Today I have, that is why students were joining. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Will you please tell me what is the next question?
How many rational number can we find between any two rational number? Find any
now
five.
you, okay. Now you people only give me answer. I have told you also that you can find out how many rational number in between two numbers.
Infinite.
Yes, infinite. Answer would be infinite. Okay, it will be infinite.
And ma'am, in that question, it is also there. Find any five rational number between 1 and 2.
Between 1 and 2. Yes, between 1 and 2 we have done it, beta, है ना? I am telling you how to do that. This type of pattern 1 and 2 wala we have done it. Just a second. 1 and 2. I'm rubbing this one. 1 and 2. So if you have, this is question number 4, I believe, है ना? So if you have 1 and 2, so you have to find out fraction in between. There is no fraction, there is no denominator. So first we will put 1, 1, and then take any number which is the larger one to multiply with. है ना? So I am multiplying only 10. So because we need numbers and it will give you 10 numbers in between them. Okay? Yeah, so it will give you 10 upon 10 and this will give you 20 upon 10. Okay? Now between 10 and 20 you have many numbers. You have 11 upon 10, you have 12 upon 10, you have 13 upon 10, you have 14 upon 10, you have 15 upon 10, 16 upon 10, 17 upon 10. Now choose any 5 number and write it down in your fair copy. Okay? Choose any numbers and any 5. Yes?
Ma'am, you told to write in copy.
Arey, sorry, Comet, हाँ. Comet. Yes, question number 5. Tell me question number 5. Beta, this type of all questions we have already done it. I believe Comet has all kind of questions which we have already completed. But as we are doing it on a normal basis for a revision or practice, otherwise we have done this kind of question. Speak please, next question.
Simplify question number 8. Minus 12 by 5 plus 30 by 4.
ये देखो फिर से ये वही क्वेश्चन आ गया है ना. This type of question we have done it. Simplify. Any one of you please on your video and show me the questions of Comet because my Comet is not being downloaded due to network problem. Show me the Comet so that I can see which questions are tough. एक मिनट, लेट मी सी हु इज शोइंग द, हाँ राहुल इज शोइंग, हाँ राहुल, ये तो वी हैव डन इट, सिंप्लीफाई इज इजी, अभी हम लोगों ने टेस्ट में भी दिया, इट इज अगेन इजी। नाउ वैल्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन क्या है, आदित्य ट्रेवल्ड, आदित्य कहाँ गए थे ट्रैवल करने, कहाँ गए थे, ही इज रिटन हियर, अच्छा सॉरी, somebody met with accident, that is why. Aditya traveled 2/3 kilometer to reach an accident place, and then 1/5/7 kilometer. Your video is off, Rahul. Yes, 1/5/7 kilometer towards from there to a nearby hospital, then find the injured person for his treatment. How much distance total he traveled? I don't feel this is also a tough question. It is very easy question. Okay, value based, only written that he traveled this much and then he traveled that much. So today you do the questions till here. More challenging we will do it tomorrow. Okay. Today complete the questions till question number 4. No, sorry, 5 and 6 also it is there, Hana. I will share, Ankita. I will share all the screenshots. Please do the comment portion today.